most adorable animal. Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god, Kelly, what is he eating? Avocado? I don't know. I think he is. Like guacamole. Oh, and he's eating with his hands. Hi. They're called vanilla. I don't know how to say it. Turaco, violet Turaco, and Araca toucan. I should be on like this kind of diet. Look, this is like the gift store.
Hi. Do you think you can give me 10 and 10 just for the quarters?
Admissions could do that.
Yeah? Okay. What is that?
Guys, if you're coming here, bring cash.
Yes.
Before. Like, and it's so packed up.
Okay. Hey guys, we're waiting for change.
The lighting's not that good here.
Come move it though.
That's kind of better.
Just have a seat.
They're like waiting to get changed.
Can I get 1725? Thank you.
Are your shoes untied?
They are?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Who cares? Okay guys, we're ready to go in. A pony. Oh my god. Can you touch it? Oh my god. Hi.
So cute.
This is insane.
Look at the baby chickens.
Okay, Kelly's about to feed the cows.
Ah, I feel so weird.
Oh,
Oh, they're fighting.
don't fight. No fighting.
Oh, this feels so weird.
Hi, I see you. Hi, beautiful. I want to feed him.
Put this in your face.
You put it in your face.
Don't know, guys. I don't want to sue.
Okay. Here I go. I'm gonna feed the cow. Oh my god.
Like hungry.
How cute.
Babe.
No.
She's scared, guys. No, don't eat that. Look, guys. So there's. Oh, he's coming. There's an ostrich.
Hold on.
You have to put the quarter in first.
No, it's not working.
Okay, hold on. Oh, that's weird. It's not working. Oh man, I can't give you
Touch you. Are
food.
you gonna bite me?
Wait, why is this not working? I want to get him food.
Oh man, I can't give you
Oh, I'm
food.
sorry.
Hi. He can snap at you if he wants to.
Okay. Don't drop it. Hold it. Don't drop it. Got it? I'm gonna get you. I need you. There's more here.
Really?
And they have so much food.
Here.
I guess the other one is outside and this one's eating.
Because hello, I am the star of the show.
No, we are.
And don't move. Where's the giraffe? I'm ready to see giraffe.
These are cattle. He's 8 feet tall. So next to Kathleen, Kathleen was like,
by the way.
yeah.
Recording. Giraffe experience. Here we go. Oh, thanks. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so cute. Look at you, baby. Hi. Oh my god, this is amazing, Cal. This makes me so happy. Where is he? Look at him. He is so I love this, guys. I'm gonna cry.
So dramatic.
Come here. Over here. There's more. Okay, Kelly, ready? Come here. Wait.
I think they're lemurs. Look how they sleep all together huddled up.
Why are they sleeping like this?
Right